Imagine for a moment I am on the stage and addressing large public. I just want to give one advice that time. That was, if you ran after money, then money runs away from you. If you ran away good work, then money comes behind you. So, this advice I definitely want to give everyone, because nowadays we all are just addicted because of money. We just want more and more money. It's reality that it's needable. We need money. Even babies are born in this planet Earth, and then also we need money. But money is not everything. So we have to work on our knowledge, informations, and skills. And we have to increase our quality of life. So 2022, want to focus on 6 skills. One is focus. Where focus goes, energy flows. So our focus must be on that thing which we want to improve. Then learning. I am a lifelong learner. I want to learn more and more. And whatsoever today's requirement, I want to learn that things. Then third is communication skill. I am a student of communication skill and want to improve my communication skill more and more. And there is limit to improve. When we are going one step ahead, then slowly we are on higher level. So on practice makes us perfect. We have to do practice. Then fourth is sales. We have to know how to do sale. Sale is required everywhere. Whatsoever work we have to do, we know how to sell that things. And it's a skill. I want to learn this skill also. Then emotional intelligence. This emotional level, you have control on your emotions, and then you have to know how you are intelligent to control your emotions. Then sixth is investing. Invest on yourself, invest on your skills, and try to improve your quality of life. Don't think much about money. This is my message, that don't run after money, run after skills. And when you run after skills, then money comes behind you. So, this is my message, and thank you very much. This is Rita signing out until we meet again.